What's up, you guys? It's Clutch Theory here. I'm back again with another unboxing. I have a package over here. I was actually expecting this for today. It's from Walmart.ca Canada. I ordered a camcorder, so I'm just hoping that that's what it is. So let's look at what's inside. So it is from Walmart. We can tell that right there. Air bubbles, packaging, okay. And yep, this is exactly what I was waiting for. Let's take it out of the box. Yep, this is a Panasonic camcorder. So it's a Panasonic HDC-TM41 camcorder, high definition video camera. I was actually looking for this so I can do some more unboxing videos in high def now. So this is really great for me now and you guys. So I got this for a good price at $98. So shout out to the RFD thread, and yeah, let's unbox this. So I got the seal off the box finally. It takes missions to get those with one hand. So let's open it up. Some decent packaging, nothing too special. What's your normal packaging? So over here you have a Panasonic HD writer, the disc for your computer. Here is the instruction manuals. Over here is your cables. So this is for the AV cables pretty much, so you can connect it to the TV if you want, and I believe that's a USB cable over there. I'll open this up in a bit. This is your USB cable to connect it to the computer. This right here is your wall outlet. So on this end you can connect to that power brick, and this is for your wall, obviously. And this is your power brick. So this is where this end over here connects over here, and this end connects to the camcorder. And finally we have the camcorder itself. So this is it. This is the camcorder. So Panasonic HDC-TM41 full HD, 1920 by 1080. So it's 1080p video, built-in memory of 16 gigabytes, and it has 16.8 optical zoom with power O.I.S. Volume has the rotator for zooming in. You can take still pictures as well. Over here, I believe that this is for your SD. Yeah, it also has SDH, XC, and it's AVC HD. So this over here, this is where the battery goes. I should be getting a battery as well. Oh, fail, but this is the battery. And let's open it up from here. So as you guys can see, this is a screen. It's 2.7 inches wide. Menu button, enter button, and your arrow keys over here. And on this side you have light, power button, HDMI port, USB port, and AV multi port. So this is where the SD card goes, on this slot right here. And these are all your ports, which I just mentioned, HDMI, USB, and the AV multi port. Over here is where the battery will go. So that's it, guys. It's the Panasonic HD camcorder. I'll be doing a test in a bit, so I'll show you guys how it goes. Alright, so this is it. I'll be posting a review on this camera in a couple of days or so, so keep a lookout for that. And comment, rate, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. This is Clutch. Peace.